Yo, what's up everybody? I'm finally back to Bali and I'm at the front of the Tanjung Sari in Sanur, of course. First video after almost 3 months outside, living in Singapore, Malaysia and Thailand. I have to come back to Sanur and make a first video from Sanur, of course. Well, that was a lot of things going on in the past few days. So sorry, I was 3 days out from the YouTube, but now I think I'm gonna start making videos every single day as always, as I used to do, so don't worry guys. Well, what I'm gonna tell you, we had to come back due to the family reasons. I hope so you watched my previous video actually why we left Thailand. We were doing fogging just behind the Our Total Beach Club. Our Total Beach Club till now it's closed, by the way. Anyways, I would like to say thank you so much for everyone who wish me and Winnie so many lovely wishes and warm words. Thank you so much, really appreciate that. Winnie also saying thank you so much for your care, guys. Unfortunately she cannot be with me on the videos for next some time, not sure. And for everyone who are not thinking what we're gonna do right now, we're gonna stay for a while in Bali, so I'm back with my Bali daily videos for you. I hope so you're gonna be still with me, and yeah, well, whew, that's how it is. It was like a little bit slap in my face because come back very quickly. I mean, we were really enjoying the time. And well, a few days ago I was still in Bangkok making videos. Actually we were in Phuket even recently, and now I have to back to Bali with my videos. Anyways, today's video is about Sanur. And tomorrow you can let me know where would you like me to go tomorrow. Meanwhile, enjoy Sanur. And also there is some construction next to Kejora Villas. I think they are already building this new villas, Icon Siam or something. However, it's changed the name. Now it's called Magnum Estate Pro, not Magnum Estate, and it's advertised also in Russian words. So they're looking probably for Russian investor, or one of the main investors is Russian and looking for it. However, this doesn't really matter. That's how it is. I will show you how it looks, area of Sanur between Bird House and Gria Santrian. Look at this cloud and the sun actually hiding between. So cool. And the sun is actually coming right now and will be bright again. And this is the beach situation. There is the construction of the Granina Hotel. I'm still remember the names properly, right? And there will be the hospital, obviously. It's low tide in Sanur today. Not so busy on the beach, but it's not weekend. As we know, Sanur Beach is busy mostly during the weekends because of local people actually coming, but obviously not during the weekdays. And it's the weekday right now, so it's actually cozy. I didn't see much difference actually in the past 3 months. However, in Sanur not much has changed, I guess. Well, I will cover as always every single day different area of Bali, so don't you worry, we will find out. It's probably new market in Kuta and finishing market in Ubud and so many, but let's focus on Sanur today. Many of you actually also love Sanur. Not sure if we're gonna stay in Sanur though. Currently we are still looking for a place to stay, so I'm still, my mind is somewhere because there's so much things to do. We just basically bought the ticket within 24 hours to back to Bali without thinking about, I mean, without preparing properly where we're gonna stay, what we're gonna do. So it's actually like, you know, needs time to adjust and to come back to the previous state. However, I'm gonna show you what's going on in Sanur right now. This is the Sands Beach Club Bar restaurant by the ocean. Nobody is actually there, only 2 kids there and nobody else. This is actually interesting. I'm a little bit surprised. It's actually Sanur is pretty quiet, like, I mean, yeah, I'm not gonna comparing again between the other countries, but when I was in Phuket it was packed with people everywhere. Here it feels exactly the same like it was in December when I was last time. So this just looks like I'm gonna go into direction of the Seoul on the beach. Hello, how are you doing? Welcome to Bali. Thank you.
Welcome to Bali.
Thank you. Welcome to Bali. Well, that's actually kind of accurate this time. Pretty little bit, as nobody remembers, I was working here alone for the last 2.5 years during the pandemic times, but that's understandable, right? You can rent a bicycle right now in Sanur, or the electric scooters. I know many of you don't like it. It's actually a little bit annoying when people driving and cruising and beeping all the time at you. It's enough as people beeping on the main streets, right? And now they are beeping on the promenade like this one. But that's how it is, right, in Sanur. Yeah. Okay, it's getting cloudy. I have to be rushed. I hope so it's not gonna be rainy. It's March, so it's still rainy season. And so many actually of these electric bikes on every single corner. Alright, this is I love Bali. I'm never coming home, but Bali is my home, so what I can do, I come back again. And this is well, what is the name of the place? Sol on the beach. They have a new furniture, they don't have a roof anymore. I don't know what they did with the roof, it's gone. And it's empty as well, I don't know. But check this out, next to this hotel here, forgot the name, the old hotel. There is some event, looks like a wedding ceremony or something, I don't know. They have a nice decorations, white tables and all of this stuff. Actually looks very fancy and very cool. Ina Sindu Beach Resort. I forgot, it's been many things happened to us and to me in my head in the past few just simply days, so I may forget some names. I'm so sorry about that, but you know now the name. I found out, and this is how they are cycling, driving actually these motorbikes. Interesting fact, they are not foreigners interested about them, but they are locals and mostly local young girls driving this. That's just an interesting fact. So if you are impressed and find some local lady maybe for yourself in Sanur, you have to rent and drive with them. Anyways, this is the area of the bird house. It's actually bird, not bird. Bird house. It's like only one loud music place next to the beach. Very nice coffee, very nice cakes. Little beach club vibe, but not really beach club. They're also preparing for some white table or something. So many interesting things is going on here. Seems like a big events come back, but the people who are just strolling around like me, not so much, but the big eventers seems like they're gonna come. This is the, how does it look like, 360 degree right now. It's a little bit cloudy, sorry for the colors quality, but yeah, that's how does it look like. And then there is the cigar area. This little coffee shop, actually it was Yooo coffee, but they changed, there is no name. Hello, how are you? Very good. And there are some people here actually, so that's the Yooo for you. I forgot the name, but I remember right now. Hello. It's actually even better right now to filming in Sanur than during the pandemic, because so many people smiling to me right now. When I was during pandemic, it was very hard to find people smiling to you, because there was nothing to smile actually, to be honest, at that time. If you're watching me since the beginning, you should know that it was actually a very depressing place. Now the people are definitely happy. Business is back, people are back, tourists are back, people making pictures of the churches, so everything is back and people are happy in general, so that's it. I'm also smiling, just maybe I'm not in that particular mood today and I have a reason to don't smile so much, so please, I'm in general smiling, okay? That is a beautiful smile, and I have also beautiful blue eyes, just in case. Very funny thing, what make me really laugh right now and smile is that is the one of this aunties who were waving to me at the beginning, welcome to Bali. She said, don't forget about my shop, Putri 75 or Putri 65, whatever it's her name of the shop. Remember, I was there, I didn't, okay, I'll be honest, I didn't go there inside, but well, she is already famous because I show her on my YouTube, so she got a free advertisement from me. If you're passing this, say as TheMonkeys, Damian from TheMonkeys, I saw it you or something, whatever, if you want or not. Just remember, if you're not gonna get inside the shop, she will give you smile, but she will always walk after you and ask you to come to the shop and buy something, alright? So it's not like she just give you smile for just because of smile, okay? She literally ran after me, but you can try by yourself and let me know if it's true. And I wonder if she remember me, because well, after 2 years passing by, she still don't remember me actually. That's pretty sad, but that's how it is. Nothing to overthink about that. Me and my Sanur vibe is actually very similar to Pattaya, no? Also so many older blokes sitting here actually, if you're thinking about that. But yeah, I know. Not so seedy, but at least the young local girls driving the electric sepedas. Warming up. I should actually warm up myself. It's pretty sad as this place is closed actually. Pretty cool place for the TheMonkeys beach club here in Sanur. It was the beach club here. Guys, if you would like to invest, we can do something together. Yeah, that's what it looks like. It's very hot by there, very, very hot. That's without any doubt. Actually, the weather here is more humid than in Thailand, just in case if you ask me. In both countries, very hot, but here humid is extremely big. Humid is terrible, but that's nothing new. It's just, I need to adopt. This is very nice, beautiful resort here, Tanjung Sari, by the way. One of the very first and the only one actually who kept so many coconut trees next to the beach, actually by the beach. Funny thing is that Sanur were looking like pretty like that one everywhere, but there's for some reason they cut off the coconut trees a long time ago. Nobody know why actually, but I think because of the coconuts actually falling and somebody must hit by the head and there was no people who gonna take them off, so they just cut them off. Safety first, always remember, right? But they actually will be better if they will just remove the coconuts like this one, because this hotel have ability to remove these coconuts here and it's no problem then. So, you know, that's how it is. Beautiful sunset. It's gonna be summer. Meanwhile, that's the Tanjung Sari. I'm gonna show you one more time because it's worth to show. Beautiful place. Hello. Hi. See, they are very happy. If you are alone, single, and you are not so old, you have a big chance to find future wife, probably. And this is the Besaki Hotel, some blocks enjoying their time. And also they are interesting fact, they are in memory of Jack Irons. There are a few names of the people who had their favorite tree. We make a video about this one, special request. If you're still watching me till this moment, forgot your name, would be really nice if you can comment so I can know as you are with me, with us. That will be actually lovely. Well, not expecting too much nowadays in my life. So many things can change. Check this out. This is what I'm talking about. Actually, it's actually very big opportunities for you, if you know what I mean. Recently, what is the name of this hotel now? I don't want to mess down. I think this is the Gria Santry, and they opened recently actually. That's actually very cool. They have a nice swimming pool and nice statues here at the front, which is actually super cool. I feel like my hand is shaking today a little bit, so sorry if it's some shakiness on the video quality, yeah, that's how it is. I mean, that's a very nice, beautiful area of Sanur. So many nice hotels. Actually, that's not the wedding. I think this is the gender release or whatever you call this, because they have a pink balance, or it's the birthday only. It could be birthday only. I'm not gonna show too much, but nice. Lovely situation. Happy as the businesses and the hotels getting back. Big events like this one, that's good for everyone, good for the hotel, good for the workers who are working there. Big service charge, maybe some tips, so everybody should be happy. Mostly in this old hotels in Sanur, only Balinese people working, mostly, to compare to the other hotels in other parts of Bali. So that's actually big support if you do like that one. And yeah, that's last look. Not so many people on the beach, even it's low tide. That's how does it look like in general today. It's gonna be probably rainy because this clouds brings rain, 100%. Well, 99.9. All right, folks, I hope so you are still being with me till this moment, and I hope so it's not too boring for you. But this Sanur and Bali, I'm back to Bali. Something fell down from the tree and it wasn't a coconut actually. There's no coconut trees here actually recently. Well, I would like to say one more time, thank you so much for being with me till this moment in general in my journey. It's been over 1,000 daily videos, 1,000 days in the row making okay, last 2 days I was off, but after that it was in the row nearly 1,000 days, so thank you so much. Let me know what would you like to see tomorrow. I probably can go, however I cannot go too far because we don't have a car, so I'm driving a motorbike again, but I will cover definitely for sure. You let me know you want to go tomorrow to Legian, to Padma, or to Ubud, or I don't know, to Kuta maybe perhaps, or maybe Canggu for some reason would you like to see. Let me know in the comment section. I will try to do it, if not tomorrow, after tomorrow, but definitely I will do it. There's some project here, Hati Hadi Ata Galian. Okay, there is some project. Anyway, thank you so much for watching. See you tomorrow.